Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we are at Benigna's Creek Winery. According to the website and print literature, the vineyard we are visiting today is located in beautiful Klingerstown, Pennsylvania. They not only offer a variety of red, white, and rosé wines, they also offer a great selection of delicious fruit wines. At the time of this video, the winery was open Wednesday to Saturday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sundays from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. They were closed Mondays and Tuesdays. Now we're talking, we're ready. Now I'm in my comfort zone. The owners invite you to a complimentary taste testing of their great selection of varied and delicious wines, but ask that you limit the tastings to around 5 wines to give a more rounded flavor palette. This wonderful winery has events throughout the year. Check their website for dates and times. Don't forget to explore outside. There are rows of beautiful grapevines to view. Joining me today here at Benigna's Creek, can I have more wine? Until next time, be healthy and keep on cooking. Do you want that a second time?